TVS has launched its own line of riding gears and apparels at the 2019 Moto Soul in Goa. The list of gears launched at this event include helmet, gloves, riding pants and riding jackets. Riding boots have also been launched. One type of boots provide protection up to ankle and is suited for city rides, and another type provides protection up to the shin and is meant for sports touring and race lovers. Prices of these gears are pretty competitive too. For instance, the helmets are ISI and ECE certified and prices start from Rs 2500 and goes up to Rs 2800. Riding jackets price start at Rs 5600, while the riding pants will set you back by Rs 4950.